Here we go. We log on to the 2008 server. I'm just gonna go and do. It's already part of the domain. Uh, DC promo. Let's have a look what we got here. We still can use DC promo, and I'm gonna just basically join the 2003 2000 native and with a 2008. I'm gonna use advanced mode. Next, and you can see there Windows 2008 and 2002 domain controller have new more features. Existing forest, yes. Add the domain controller to the existing domain, yes. Or create a new domain in existing forest, no. I'm just gonna go for the new one. I don't have it free. This is second option if you go an empty forest, so we can create a child domain, but I'm just gonna go to join an existing one. It's seeing abc.local, and I can use the same account I'm using, which is the AD account. It's a domain admin with enterprise. Next, and select the domain controller. Yes, same domain controller, only one I have, which is 2003. You will not be able to install read-only domain controller in this domain because AD prep read-only domain controller prep was not yet run. Do you want to continue? Yes, because we mentioned that earlier. I'm not interested to put read-only domain controller. Second is the default site name. Yes, this is happy with this one. I'm happy with DNS, and we'll have a look at the what they call it, the single label domain as well. Error message because it's a single label domain. We have to move away from this. It's checking my DNS. I already assigned static IP to here. Already machine joined the domain. That should be a bit easier unless there's an issue. So happy, yes. Global catalog, make it DNS. I'm happy. And this server will be a global catalog and DNS server name. The FISMO rules still on the primary 2003. Till later on, we will see the FISMO rules and before you commission it. And here, a delegation for DNS server cannot be created because authoritative parent zone cannot be found. It does not run Windows DNS. Otherwise, you need to run integrated. Do you want to continue? Yes, I don't mind. Replicate over the network? Yes. Otherwise, you can specify different location. I've got only two. Let wizard create appreciated domain controller. Otherwise, you can specify which domain controller. I got only one, so it will be using the same site. Location similar to the previous one for the database as well. Happy with them? Yes. C drive, test environment? Yes. Change the location, up to you. Password? Yes. I need to specify password for restoring, and you need to document it, save it somewhere else. Happy with everything? You can export the settings and give a name, DC setting underscore DC 2008, just to make sure if you want to replicate it or automate it later on. Yeah, happy, and next. That should basically reboot after it's complete. It will start. You can see it's quite fast. Group policy management console is doing what we suppose, to do, and that should be it. NetLogo stopping, starting, and I think after that we'll do the schema, which is it, and then schema object and replication shouldn't take that long, and computer object. We don't have CA, we don't have exchange, but that will take time depending on the size of your metadata as well as when to create. Yeah, so we are happy with everything, and I'm just gonna pause it and come back when it is ready. Finish, and it's rebooting. Simple as that. We managed to basically build a new domain controller 2008 by joining it to the 2003 in native mode, and now the server is rebooting, which means we will have a new domain controller 2008 with a single label domain joining 2003 later on when we will do the migration, seize the FISMA rules from 2003 to 2008. A quick recap: what we have done: we went to the 2003, we browsed to the CD for 2008. Before the prep, we changed it to native mode instead of mixed mode, and then we just log on now to show you what is it. Here we go, ABC domain, and it is a domain controller. I'm just going to log on with the domain admin credentials, and if I can log on and just show you, it is a domain controller. And that's all basically for today. So let's have a look. Preparing desktop and browse to my new DC admin tool, AD site and services. And here it is, admin tools. And where's the domain computers? Here we go. Just to make sure to show you, I'm able now to see the same domain, and I'm able to see the computers and their normal computers. I've got only two domain controller. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you when we do the migration and decommissioning of 2003. Goodbye.